The 2025 Zenith Bank Christmas Youth Parade, Dare to Dream, Dare to Be, is a reflection of the belief that every young person has the potential for greatness, a vision proudly supported by Zenith Bank Plc. Amaka Owoh captured the colors, sights and sounds of the fun-filled carnival-like parade by the bank to celebrate children and youths this Christmas season.
Ajose Adeogun, a major axis on Victoria Island and its surroundings, stood still as Zenith Bank Plc hosted the 19th edition of the Zenith Christmas Youth Parade in Lagos. Consistent in its corporate social responsibility that transforms aspects of society, the Zenith Christmas Youth Parade is a mega festival designed and dedicated to supporting and empowering the Nigerian child, especially during the Christmas season.
We must also have the courage to step up and become leaders and change makers of tomorrow.
The Carnival Parade had an array of diverse activities that made the day a memorable one. The chairman of Zenith Bank Plc, Jim Ovia, and Group Managing Director Adora Umoji, represented by executive directors of the bank, reaffirmed the customer-centric nature of the bank that inspires the younger generation towards the path of self-discovery.
The theme for this year's Youth Parade is Dare to Dream, Dare to Be, because it serves as a powerful call to action and inspiring our youth, to transform their imagination to reality through powerful vision and courage.
It's also a way of giving back to the society for us. It helps us to show and demonstrate our commitment to the development of the youth and the community, as well as social responsibility.
We really want to appreciate our customers for their support, for their loyalty, for their partnership all through the year. In line with our mantra of people, technology and service.
The event also provided a platform to showcase the dynamism in Nigeria's entertainment and creative industry with performances from popular Nigerian artists. For the children and young persons, the Zenith Christmas Youth Parade 2025 was an exciting and memorable experience as Zenith Bank PLC wishes all Nigerians Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance.